Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40T-DN-W-ANDON metal and surface processing downtimer. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to simply regulate the time it takes to process metals during heat treatment. And how it works is the client powers the unit, then sets the desired time to count down from with our wireless remote controller. Meanwhile, the ANDON light tower is able to go off once the timer reaches 0, as well as the end of period alarm as well. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this downtimer and how it is meant to work. So as you can see, we have our wireless handheld remote controller on the left side of the enclosure. It has a total of 7 functions. It has start and stop, reset to 0, set hours, set minutes, set seconds, reset to the last value, and it also has a flash off function to turn off the end of period alarm and the ANDON light when the timer reaches 0. So first things first, we're going to press the set seconds button, and we're going to have it count down from, let's just say, 10 seconds. As you can see, as I press the set seconds button, it increments until I press it again. And as you can see, we now have 10 seconds to count down from. So now we just press the start and stop button, and as you can see, it's now counting down from 10 seconds, and once it reaches 0, the end of period alarm goes off along with our ANDON light that flashes red, and it will continue to sound off until we press flash off. As you can see, as I press flash off, the end of period alarm shuts off, as well as our ANDON light. And as you can see, we have our set to last value button. So notice if I press this button, it'll reset to the last value that we set it to, which was 10 seconds. And we also have a 0 reset button, which resets everything back to 0. And that's all there is to it. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is a tough 14 gauge aluminum that is fingerprint resistant and black powder coating. Its display size is 4 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 200 feet away. The number of digits that it has is 4 digits that can count down from a grand total of 99 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. Its power type is a 120 VAC power wall adapter with 6 feet of cabling. For mounting, we have our 4x4 or 2x4 electrical rough in-box teardrop knockout drops. And lastly, for accessories, we have our multicolored ANDON light tower for end of period indication, as well as an end of period alarm that is inside of the unit. We also have our RF wireless handheld remote controller that can be operated at 1500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-DN-W-ANDON metal and surface processing downtimer with a wireless handheld remote controller and end of period indication ANDON light. Thanks for watching.